Prevent water damage through gutter cleaning. Gutters are designed to direct water away from your home. But when they're clogged with leaves, twigs, and other debris, they can't do their job. This can result in water overflow, seeping into your home's foundations, walls, and even ceilings. We've seen cases where prolonged neglect of gutter cleaning, it led to extensive water damage, causing expensive repairs, mold growth, and even structural instability. Let's not let it get to that stage. Here are 4 key steps we recommend to keep your gutters clean and prevent water damage. 1. Regular inspection. 2. Clean out debris. 3. Check for leaks and damage. 4. Install gutter guards. Regular gutter cleaning can save you a lot of headaches and money down the line. Let's keep those gutters clean and flowing freely.